Here is a detailed 1500-word YouTube article you can use as a script or video description for the 2026 Hyundai Creta in India, written in a natural flow without headings, covering design, performance, engines, interior, tech, safety, driving impressions, pricing, competition, and real-world context. The 2026 Hyundai Creta has arrived as one of the most anticipated midsize SUVs in India's automotive landscape, carving out a strong identity for itself by blending bold design, advanced technology, versatile performance, and family-friendly comfort. This SUV doesn't just build on the legacy of its predecessors, it elevates the entire package with a blend of refinement, capability, and modern features that make it a compelling choice for Indian buyers looking for a vehicle that's equally suited for busy city streets and long highway journeys. From the exterior design that demands attention on the road to the high-tech interior that feels both premium and practical, the 2026 Creta aims to stay ahead in one of the most competitive segments in the Indian car market. Salemdoctors.in. The first thing most people notice about the 2026 Creta is its updated exterior. Hyundai has reworked the front fascia with a bold, parametric grille that fills the SUV's face with character and presence, giving it a more assertive look than before. The sleek LED headlamps and distinctive daytime running light signatures provide a futuristic touch while enhancing visibility at night and in poor weather conditions. Around the side, the Creta retains its muscular silhouette while updated dual-tone alloy wheel designs and new paint options give the vehicle a fresh, modern appeal. Subtle yet noticeable refinements at the rear, including connected LED tail lamps and a sculpted bumper, ensure the Creta stands out in traffic without seeming overly flamboyant. Pregnancy Gyan. What's most remarkable about the Creta's design is how it achieves a balance between boldness and maturity. It's a look that resonates with a wide audience, from young professionals to families, without being too aggressive or too bland. The SUV's proportions are well judged, offering a confident stance that makes it easy to spot in city parking lots as well as on highways. Its 190 mm ground clearance gives it the confidence to handle broken roads and waterlogged streets with ease, a practical advantage for many Indian conditions. Salemdoctors.in. Step inside the 2026 Creta and the interior feels thoroughly modern. Hyundai has paid close attention to materials and ergonomics, resulting in a cabin that feels more premium than you might expect at this price point. Soft touch plastics, thoughtful accents, and clean finishing lifts the ambience, but it's the technology that truly defines the experience. The Creta boasts a dual -12.3 Yojak Chinhai NCH digital setup, one for the driver display and another for the touchscreen infotainment system, which provides a futuristic, seamless interface that feels intuitive and responsive. Wireless connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto reduce cable clutter, while a connected car suite ensures features like remote vehicle monitoring, navigation, and live traffic updates are just a tap away. Shailesh Classes. Comfort is another area where the Creta excels. The seats are supportive and well-shaped for long drives, making even multi-hour journeys more enjoyable. Higher trims come with ventilated front seats, allowing occupants to stay cool in India's diverse climates, as well as ambient lighting that creates a pleasant cabin mood during evening drives. The panoramic sunroof, a feature often reserved for premium SUVs, floods the cabin with natural light on sunny days and adds a feeling of openness that families and daily commuters appreciate. Alike, rear passengers also benefit from generous legroom and dedicated AC vents, ensuring everyone enjoys a comfortable ride. Pregnancy Gyan. Under the hood, the 2026 Hyundai Creta continues to offer a range of engines designed to suit different driving needs and preferences. The base 1.5 Yojak Chinhai LITRE naturally aspirated petrol engine delivers smooth and predictable power that's ideal for urban driving and relaxed highway cruising. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and IVTA type of smooth, efficient automatic, making this a versatile choice for everyday users. For those who want a more dynamic experience, the 1.5 Yojak Chinhai LITRE turbo petrol engine pumps out more power and torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic that responds briskly and delivers a confident performance when overtaking or navigating fast roads. There's also a 1.5 Yojak Chinhai LITRE diesel option for those prioritizing fuel economy and longer range, paired with manual or automatic transmissions that provide both torque and efficiency over long distances. Autonote.in Happy New Car. One of the most exciting developments for the 2026 Creta, and a sign of Hyundai's vision for the future, is the inclusion of hybrid and electric powertrain options in certain markets. The strong hybrid setup combines a petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver improved mileage and reduced emissions compared with traditional internal combustion engines, providing an efficient and refined driving experience. This hybrid variant is expected to deliver significantly better fuel economy figures, making it an attractive choice for buyers who value both performance and efficiency. Hyundai has also hinted at the launch of a fully electric Creta as part of its future lineup, which would bring zero-emissions driving to this popular SUV platform while offering respectable range and fast charging capability. Shailesh Claus's Joyride. The overall ride quality of the 2026 Creta continues to impress in real-world conditions. Suspension tuning finds a sweet spot between comfort and composure, cushioning passengers from urban potholes and uneven surfaces while providing enough stability to make highway cruising enjoyable. Steering feels light at low speeds, making tight parking and city maneuvers easier, yet remains predictable at higher speeds where confidence is key. NVH noise, vibration and harshness levels are well controlled, creating a quiet and relaxing cabin environment, a testament to Hyundai's refinement efforts for this generation. Times Bull. Safety and driver assistance technology are significant strengths of the 2026 Creta as well. 6 airbags are offered across all variants, bolstering occupant protection alongside standard features such as vehicle stability management, ABS with EBD, hill start assist, and parking cameras. Higher trims introduce Level 2 Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS), a suite of semi-autonomous features that can assist with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, making highway travel less stressful and more secure. These advanced systems place the Creta ahead of many rivals in terms of safety tech offered at similar price points. Autocar. The Creta also offers a generous boot space that easily accommodates luggage for family trips or weekend getaways, and rear seats that fold down for added cargo flexibility when needed. Practical storage spaces throughout the cabin mean everyday items have dedicated spots, adding to the vehicle's everyday usability. Autocar. Pricing for the 2026 Creta varies widely depending on the chosen variant, powertrain, and feature set, but the SUV continues to offer strong value for what buyers get. Starting at a competitive price point and extending up to higher trims packed with premium tech and luxury touches, the Creta aims to cater to a broad spectrum of customers, from first-time SUV buyers to families seeking a reliable and feature-rich daily driver. Hyundai's extensive service and dealer network across India also provides peace of mind for ownership, with reasonable after-sales support and servicing options. Autocar. Competition in the mid-size SUV segment has intensified over the years, with models from Kia, Tata, Mahindra, and others aiming to challenge the Creta's dominance. However, the combination of bold design, technology-forward interiors, refined powertrains, and advanced safety systems keeps the Creta firmly in the conversation for many buyers. Even as rivals introduce new models with fresh features, the trust and familiarity Hyundai has built over years with the Creta platform continue to play a role in its strong market presence. Wheelsofmotor.com. There have been discussions among car enthusiasts and online communities about discounts and market trends affecting SUV sales, especially in early 2026, suggesting that buyers may find opportunities to negotiate better deals, a shift from previous years where Creta often commanded minimal discounts due to its high demand. This change highlights how competition and market dynamics evolve over time, offering smart buyers the chance to snag a good deal on this popular SUV. Reddit. In everyday use, the 2026 Creta feels like a well-balanced SUV that handles both urban traffic and highway cruising with ease. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or heading out on a long weekend road trip, the combination of comfort, convenience features, and confidence-inspiring driving dynamics makes the Creta a compelling choice. It's the kind of SUV that fits seamlessly into a wide range of lifestyles, from young professionals and families to those simply seeking a capable and reliable vehicle for daily use. Times Bull. In essence, the 2026 Hyundai Creta in India represents a thoughtful evolution of a beloved SUV. It captures what buyers have always loved about the Creta: practicality, reliability, comfort, and technology while pushing the envelope with modern design, advanced safety systems, and forward-looking powertrain options that include hybrid and electric variants. Whether you are upgrading from an older compact car, stepping into your first SUV, or simply want a versatile vehicle that delivers a premium feel without an exorbitant price tag, the 2026 Creta stands out as a top contender in its segment, a well-rounded SUV that's ready for India's diverse roads and driving lifestyles. Shailesh classes. If you'd also like a YouTube description, SEO tags, and hashtags specifically formatted for upload, I can provide that too. Car video cam.